channel. Today I'm back with a brand new video. This time I'm going to try out this bubble product. I received it in the mail. Facebook had an advertisement for bubble and it was a really great deal, you guys. Only $5. I only had to pay shipping, nothing else. Awesome, right? So you can't go wrong with just $5, right? So I want to show you everything that I got in this box, and it came really fast too, so shipping amazing. And this is what the box looks like right in here. And you can see you get 3 sample size products and a really cute mesh bag, great for summer. You know, if you're going to the beach, you can put like all your little essentials in here, you know. And it has a well ventilated mesh material. It's really cool. It has like a little bubble logo on the zipper. Very cute. You will not believe how much this bag and everything in here costs. Originally, I believe it was over $20 plus shipping. I don't think it's worth 20 bucks, but $5, yes. You get a little, I guess, coupon for your future purchase, I believe, in here. Oh, you get some stickers. I thought it was going to be a coupon. You get some bubble stickers. Really super cute. You get a little booklet in your box. Just has some like little information, I believe, in here. Really cool. And then you get 3 products. And what I like about it is that you get a full face set. You get a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer in the kit. That is great because some companies just are so neglectful and they only add 1 product or they're missing something. This one actually has everything, so that's why I really wanted to try it out. Love the bag right here. You can see it even better with like everything out. Great summer mesh bag to keep all your stuff in, like I was saying. But I'm really going to try out these 3 products for you today. I want to try out the Fresh Start Gel Cleanser. It's a cute little sample, you know, just something to get started to see if you like bubble. You just squeeze a little bit out, a little bit hard to get out. That's what the cleanser looks like. Just a nice, simple, basic gel cleanser. My hands wet a little bit here. It smells very clean. It pretty much doesn't really have a scent, and it likes to foam up really fast. Feels nice on the skin. It reminds me of the Clinique foaming cleanser, in my opinion. Like, it reminds me of that one. And I'm really getting in and cleaning my skin because my skin really does need some added TLC. Lately, I've been kind of neglectful on washing my skin, so this is a really nice treat to have, you know. Start with the camera angle. I know it's funky, but you're sitting on a cup, so trying to do my best here with what I have. So far I like it. It really goes into the skin, and I'm going to rinse this off right now. I just washed the cleanser off my face, and my face feels really clean. I do like it. It's a nice basic cleanser. It's nothing too spectacular, you know. It's not like, oh my god, but it gets the job done. It's a nice little travel size, so I think it's cute. I'm going to try out the Bounce Back Refreshing Toner right here. As you can see, a nice little sample once again. Put a little bit on my hand and just massage it on my neck and skin. And this doesn't have a smell either. I don't know if it's natural or what, but it doesn't have a scent. But simple, quick, and easy basic facial right here. Like, it can go by really fast, which is nice. So if you're in a hurry, you're traveling, great collection to have with you on hand. You can just get up and go. This is the Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer right here. As you can see, I'm going to add just a little bit to my hand. It's a little bit thick coming out, a little bit shaky here. You don't need a lot of product at all for all these different little samples. I'm going to massage it into my skin, and once again, no smell really, just clean and fresh, and I like that. So my skin is pretty much set and ready to go out anytime, day or night. I'm just bam, ready to go. I am really liking this bubble set. I think it's a really good collection, especially if you're traveling or if you just want to try bubble. Really good collection to, you know, get a feel of what bubble is like. And I think it's a really good little set. It's worth it for $5. I will try to link it for you down below, and you can get your hands on this lovely trial bubble collection. I know it's a quick, simple video, but I wanted to show you what bubble can do for you. I want to thank all of you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. It's appreciated. Subscribe for more videos. And as always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.